Live from Las Vegas, it's world famous Chef Pete.
Hey foodies, Chef Pete here, and I'm back again today to talk to you all about what happens with our cooking and food choices as we get older. Everybody's going to get older. Things are going to taste different, like salty things and sweet things are going to be more tasty than other subtle things that you used to taste before. So you have to change the way you cook and how you spice things and how you do all of that as you get older, because our tastes change, okay? And then you've got to look at new ingredients too, like rather than trying to eat and chomp away at some hard meat or crusty peanut brittle or something like that. Change what you're eating. Use more ground turkey, use more ground beef, use ground lamb, use things that are easier to chew, okay? So embrace your new ingredients. When I was sitting down thinking about this little talk I want to give about how we eat when we get older and how we cook when we get older, I thought, what about the seasonings? What you put in there, okay? Herbs and spices puts a lot of different flavors in there without relying on a lot of salt. So if you're all of a sudden having a problem with your blood pressure and you can't use a lot of salt, or you can't use salt at all, what you use in your combination of spices and herbs will help to pump up your food taste, okay? So remember, you can experiment with different things like rosemary. You see me using a lot of rosemary, right? Garlic powder, thyme, or even some sort of citrus like lemon juice. As long as your stomach can tolerate the acid and you're not on some sort of an acid pill, use lemon juice. It zings things up, and it's not like using chili peppers. Now, if you can still tolerate chili peppers, God bless you. I used to enjoy them, and so did Anthony. But then we got older and we get this acid reflux when we start to eat hot things, too much hot things. So what you do is cook clever. Adjust how you cook it makes a big difference. You can braise things, right? You can broil things. You can also use, and you've seen me use a lot of slow cookers here.
Hi, Kenzie.
Hello, Kenzie.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome. And I also use the pressure cooker, okay? So I make a lot of things using slow cooking, pressure cooking to make things tender.
Welcome, Amanda.
And Amanda, welcome. So also, your ingredients are very important. And I've talked about this many, 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 many times. Fresh stuff, fresh vegetables, fresh chicken, turkey, fish, whatever you guys like. But make sure it's fresh before you cook it. Do not use bad, rotten food because you'll get sick. Your families will get sick.
Amanda says nice cooking.
Oh, well, Amanda, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.
He does everything nice, doesn't he?
I like to use the word nice, right? Okay. So, calories. Look at your calories as you get older. Cut down your portion sizes. Still eat the same things, whatever you like. Cook whatever you like. Make it a little different so you can chew it better, digest it better. But remember, cut your sizes down, because as we get older, we don't eat as much, all of this, that we used to eat, okay? We eat lesser amounts, and we're living here in Las Vegas. We have buffets to go to. So how does Chef Pete and Anthony eat at a buffet? We like to sample a lot of stuff. Next time we go, I'm gonna do some videotapes from a buffet so I can show you how we eat, small amounts, sample a lot of stuff, and stay within our diet and calorie frame. Okay, so you can all do this. It's really, really easy. So we love helping you all. There's delicious recipes, and I tweak things to make it so that everybody can do it at any age.
Hi, Nicholas.
Nicholas, hello. Hi, everybody.
He's watching on his grandma's phone, he said.
Show your grandma. Tell your grandma I'm using a slow cooker, okay? And a pressure cooker. She'll probably laugh. Okay.
Hi, Lenny.
So Lenny, hi. So let us know any other recipes. Just let me know in the comments if you want me to make something special. Okay, I'd be more than glad to cook it up for you all. So I want to thank you all of you folks joining us live this morning. We will really have a replay for all of these things. So, if you need to find all the recipes I'm making, so when I do this, I mean, there's a whole bunch of videotapes up there on YouTube. Go to the playlist. Anthony has kindly...
Turkey. Somebody wants to know about turkey.
Turkey? What kind of turkey?
You want turkey that's roasted, whole turkey, turkey breast, sliced turkey that goes on a sandwich. What kind? Tell us. Smoked? He just used smoked turkey on the Cobb salad. Smoked turkey, Black Forest turkey. It was very good. What are you going to make? Somebody said, what are you going to make?
Okay, well, today I'm going to do another live in a little while, and I'm going to make air-fried, panko-crusted, Kentucky Fried Chicken style, because I'm going to use the spices, the knockoff spice recipe to Kentucky Fried Chicken, okay? So for those of you that like Kentucky Fried Chicken, I hope you come back later in a few hours. We're going to make this. I'm going to show you how to bread them, egg them, bread them, air fry them, and show you later on what it looks like on the plate with beautiful crusted, browned, air fried, Kentucky Fried Chicken flavored knockoff spices. So that's what I'm making today.
What's up, Jason?
Hello, Jason. How you doing? Hi, everybody. It's nice to hear you all. I was shocked the other day because I was looking at the analytics on YouTube, okay? Because it shows us as creators on YouTube where everybody is coming from. Over 50 plus countries, we have people looking at the videos I'm making about cooking simple things with simple ingredients, the easy way for all of you guys. And I'm really very, very happy and proud that we're able to help everyone and that you're watching. And if you have a chance, please support us by subscribing to our channel, as we need help like everybody else. And not that I'm going to go viral here with this, or win a gold ribbon or a blue ribbon, but you know what? We owned a restaurant. We had to take care of people. We had it over 25 years ago. We had a very nice success with it. And then I went into other things, and here we are today. I'm retired now. I'm like everybody's grandpa. So remember, I'm trying to help, and I hope you ask the questions. I will answer you back as quickly as I can. And remember, with a few adjustments with this cooking as you get older, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals and just make a tweak to them. If you can't eat too much hot stuff, cut back. Just don't take...
Roast turkey.
Roast turkey. Okay. All right. I'll tell you what. Coming up here in the next week, we will issue a videotape doing a turkey breast roasted, and I'll show everybody how to do it in the oven or in the slow cooker. I don't know which way yet. I'll surprise you all, okay? But I'll show you how to take a nice butterball turkey breast that's boneless, and it's in a net when you get it from the store frozen. And I'll show you how to do it the easy, simple way so that you can have turkey 12 months out of the year and feed your family nutritious, lean meat so that your fat content stays low, okay? So are there any other questions before we call it a day? And then
Somebody asked you how old you are, but I don't know if you want to answer that.
Well, you know what? I'll tell you this much, everybody. I can clearly see 70 in my rear view mirror. Okay? So there you got it. There you have it. As always, I like to close by saying this is Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen, as always, and I'm not Captain Kirk. Out.
Bye, everybody.